So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to forward message on Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Messenger. Now you should have to tap on someone message like this, and to forward a message, so tap on message here. Then you will see the option of more, which is available on the lower corner of right side, so tap on it. Then you will see the option of forward, so again tap on it, and you can see the option of person whom you want to forward that message. So I'm tapping here, and you can see the option of send available on the right side of your screen, so tap on it and click on that person's account and see I have successfully forwarded messages here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.